operations on str, indexing operation, and then next is called what? Slicing operation. Syntax number 1, under that subpoints, and next is called another subpoints, cases of special points, and syntax number 2, and syntax number 3, and a different type of concepts we discussed it. Syntax number 4, syntax number 5 with rules and regulations, and so many number of examples we discussed it. And if we go for writing any type of written test in the companies, they will ask for function. And that indexing and slicing is the base part of different index. You will face it, because I don't hope you will understand, no doubt in that. Beginning some difficulty, later it is going to be dead easy. So first we'll start with what? Yes. So indexing means getting one value at a time from the given iterable object is called what? Indexing. So I will write it. Here I am going to show you that. Practical I will enter immediately. First concept you get it. The process of obtaining single value from iterable object by passing valid index is called what? Indexing. Is called indexing. The process of obtaining object by passing valid index is called indexing. What is the syntax, sir? Here. What is an iterable object in our case, ma? ND array. Very good. What is that? ND array. What is the syntax I am going to write it? 1D. Syntax for indexing on 1D. Syntax for indexing on 2D. Syntax for indexing on 3D. One by one I am going to show you. So what is the general example of that? Let us go to the small example for everybody. Other batch students, my dear students, please concentrate well so that you can understand more better here. So students, S is equal to HY Python, you take it. This is a known thing. S is equal to Python. Dear students, other batch students especially, whenever you are going to keep the data, any iterable object, if you keep it, internally what is happening? This is the data we are taking. Python is internally organized, and my students will get boring of this because I used to discuss very perfectly as a part of that. Other batch students, please look at carefully. This is going to be known as what? Python, and this is going to be called S, and whose indexes starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is known as what? Positive indexing, forward direction. Which direction? Forward direction. Speak all of you. And this is going to be called what? -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is also called which direction? Generally, student will think that it is a backward direction. It is wrong. -6 plus 1. I wrote this side. Don't think in a backward direction. Sorry, written. Actually, I will write in what? What is the length of this actually? Minus, I will add to that. -6 plus 1, -5. -5 plus 1, minus like that. I will go on adding it. That is known as what? Forward indexing. So, Python provides what? Negative index, and Python provides what? Positive index. Python provides negative index, and Python provides what? Positive index. Yeah, no timing. Website. I go to home. Websites. So, don't know timings. I hope you are sleeping and just wake up and taking a bag and coming to the class. Am I correct? No. So stand up. So come to the point of it. So time is time. Actually, I don't want to allow you this time, but you are new student. I'm allowing you. Here 6:15 sharp class will start. You have to be inside the class. If I allow whatever the time I like it, you will not get anything. It will become a second college. What happens in the college? Nothing happened. If I open your brain, if I see with a microscope, what is there in the brain? Nothing is there. Right. Now I will open and I will see. Nothing is there. That's why if I come here on time, something will come. Okay, now. So this is called what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Positive index. This is called what? Negative. Negative. This part an iterable object is one which contains more number of values is called what? Iterable. Non-iterable object is one which contains only one value. So here S square bracket, I need to pass what? 0. This is called a valid index and gives the value called P. Understand? If I enter the value called -6, value same thing is coming minus P only. If I enter the value called -1, it will give you the value called what? Always the last value is available at where? -1. One more is what? LN of Python is called what? 6. 6 minus 1. That is called 4 corner elements you must know. 4 corner elements if you know. But 4 corner elements in the Python level only we know. In the Python level only we know. Following students? So S of 0, S of -6, you are going to get the answer P and you are going to get the answer P. S of -1 is called N and S of -5, S of -5 is called what? Y. Online students, so try to respond it. And one small thing, students, any other batch students are there in my class. If you have a doubt, please approach me. I will explain you. After the class, if you have a doubt of other batch students, don't hesitate. You may ask some questions of what is the previously happened. So don't feel like that. Don't hesitate it. Come and ask me the doubt which you are having. Okay now? So don't hesitate that. Are you able to understand this? Now all of a sudden, I'm going to take it here. S of, I'm going to enter 10. S of 10. Do you have 10th index here? We'll get an error called what? Index error. And we used to regularly discussing as a part of our sessions. Anything we do mistake, error name also you need to know. Generally, all faculties will say, well, tell what? Error, error, error. That is only error. That is only the error. You need to know the name of the error. Correct or not? So, name of the error is called what? Once you enter wrong index, it is called index error. S of -15 I am writing. S of -15. What is an error? Index error. S of 3. Come on, fast. S of -3. Right. Like that, we are supposed to enter. Come on, fast enough. S of 0. S of -6. P. S of -1. S of 5. Come on. LN of S. It will give you the length. S of LN of S -1. Come on. Good. S of LN of S. Index error. S of 6 kada. It is called which error? Index error. Index error. See the index error. See down. Next, S of minus of LN of S. Come on. So it is called P. Are you able to get me? Are you confident enough this? This is called our Python level. Same to same we will apply to what? Jupyter Notebook also. On NDR also same. As far as indexing is concerned, there is no difference at all. But there is a difference in where slicing 2D, that time it is going to differ. So students, I'm going to enter into the place, enter into the place. Now I'm entering here. Now go to the Jupyter Notebook, coming to this place. So here I'm going to enter into that. So, okay, Nani, my dear student, thank you for your appreciation. So from other batch student, so take care. So other batch student, one message. Why I'm giving a special offer to other batch students is, my dear students, if you are having any doubt after the class, please approach me. I'll explain little more clear for you. Right? So, Nani Chaudhary, I'm other batch student, but I'm understanding very well, sir. You're explaining each and everything and getting confident on the subject. Okay, keep it up. Now I will move to the further. So go to the next point here. Now, Jupyter Notebook, I will open it and coming to the point back. Here I'm going to take up new. Here I'm getting. So any other doubts are there? At the end of it, I'm giving an opportunity for you to go for it. Okay. So maybe Neha is saying a number plate concept. She's saying, keep it more number plate example. Have you done it, students? Everybody. Shall I call the mentors to check your notes? Sir, don't do that, sir. At this time, if you do problem. If you say only yes, sir, if I keep it quiet, my heart will say, check them, they will say. Can I call the mentors to check the notes? Huh? Confidently. Can I give one more day time? Do it. Do it. Still one more day time I'm giving, do it. So you don't do it. You don't may allow me to do it. Neither you are doing or not allowing me to do it. Then the homework is in the air only. You did not catch or you did not catch. No. So let either you do it or let me do it so that you will be beneficial. Okay now. So do it. I'll give one more day time for you. Do it. Okay, students, keep it up. Keep it up. So now I'll move to the further. Okay, online students. So really, I'm appreciating you. Those who are pasting the homeworks. Really fully impressed about your things. So coming to the point of it. So nice students. Coming to the point of it. Now I'm entering. Those are all posted the homework, and I'm really appreciating them. And I'm expecting others also will do that. Come to the point of it. What is this now? One, indexing operation on 1D 1D array. 1D array is nothing but one ND array. So let us take A is equal to, come on, start, NP dot, of course I will write import numpy as NP dot array of, now I'm taking the values as what, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is my example here. But print of what? Content of A. Content of A. So I'm writing here called A. This is my data printed. And the memory management is going to be same. Whatever the memory management Python provides, same memory management even in ND array also same. How the memory management, I need not write separately, students. Don't expect again sir will write it. The same memory management only. 10, 20, 30, 40, so on up to what? 90. What is this now? 0, 1, 2, so on number of elements. This is a minus 1, 2. Next is going to be like this or not? Same to same memory management of Python. Even ND array also same. Pandas also same. Matplotlib also same. Throughout the Python scripting, same memory management will be following. Understand, ma? Well, now I want to get it. Now I want to get it. Syntax for 1D array indexing. 1D array indexing. Tell me, ma? Come on. 1D array object of what? Index. Valid index. If the go to which error? Index error. Come on, help out. Get value 10. Get a value 10 from where? A. Come on, start with A of what? 0. A element. Now, suppose I don't know how many elements are available. This is with what index? Positive index. Here 0 is at what index? Positive index. 0 is at positive index. Now I want to get it. Get the value of A. Another way. Get the value of A with what index? Negative index. Actually, I don't know. There are so many elements are there. Simply I will go for what? LN of A. What is the LN of A gives? Check it out. 9. Definitely minus 9 is an index of what? Come on. 10. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Minus 9. That spontaneity is important here. Come on, now I will write it. Come on, students. Of what? LN of A. Like that. What an element is coming? 10. This type of questions will be coming when you are facing interview rounds. There are 100 elements are there. I want to get last element, you will say. Get the last element. What is the last element index? -1. One more way is what? LN of ND array -1. So come on, get what element? Get last element. Get last element. Get the last element with what? With what index? Positive index. Positive index. Come on. A of what? Come on. LN of A. Beautiful. What is the last element? 90. Another way, student. This is with what index, ma'am? Positive index. Super. Next, I want to get it what? Negative element. With what? Get the last element. With what index? Already written. With a negative index. Come on, students. A of -1. Are you getting me? This is related to what? 1D array indexing operation. Simply I am going forward. This is very easy, not a difficult. I want to get the element called what? 50. 50. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Like that also you can get it. Last and final. Get an element. Get an element 50. 50 from A. How do you write it? 4. 4. Next is what? 5. So got the element. Okay, na? Simple. This is very simple, not a difficult, nothing speciality about it. Now I am going to apply one more mechanism, my dear students. Come on, indexing operation on 2D. Indexing operation on 2D. If I go to this place, you have already understood the syntax. What is the syntax, ma? 1D, 1D array of what? Index. Here index can be, here index can be positive or negative or negative. Now I am coming to where? 2D. Dear students, so Pooja is asking, see what doubt she is asking, because girls are very important. At the same time, they need to listen the class very easy, nicely. Sir, is it same as Python indexing? First I went to where? Python now. Is it explained Python now? This is called indexing in Python now. This is also explaining indexing on what? ND array now. And Pooja is asking this question. What is my reaction? She is a girl now. That's why my reactions are 0. So, if it is a boy, pig, keeping it in the bag directly. So, Pooja, come to the point, mom. So, understood this now. So, my dear students, when I am in good flow, don't disturb by asking such questions, because if you ask such questions, my flow will be disturbed. So, Pooja, did you understand, mom? Did you understand? All girls are giving emoji symbols. See, all girls. Some students are giving emoji symbols. Rather than giving emoji symbols and a laughing face and all, it's not correct. So laughing is not correct. I always used to say smile is the good way. So if you smile, it's nice. If you laugh, your 32 teeth will be visible outside. You are selected for close-up advertisement. Okay, it's my advertisement. Now they are giving smile face now. So come to the point. Are you following me? Indexing operation on 2D. Students, follow. No disturbance. Import numpy a dot. This one you are taking. Plus what I am doing now? Reshape of. I am going to apply what? Reshape of. How many elements I am having? 9 elements. What are the possibilities of reshaping? 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. So print the data. It is going to print content of A. Let me go for giving like this. Let me go for giving that. Is it not content? Yes. Now I want to observe it carefully. First time you are seeing the matrix internal memory management. This is called, dear students, 0th row. Spell out. What is the next term? My 1. 0th row. What is this now? 1. Next is called what? 2. These are all called what, mom? Rows. Rows. What is this column is called? 0th column. Next 1. Next 2. Second column. These are called what? Positive indexing rows and columns. Okay. Next, this kind of things also will be happening for negative indexing is also going to be available. Negative indexing is also there. This is 70. This is going to be available what? -1 row, -2 row, and next is called -3 row. This is known as what? Negative indexing. What indexing it is? Negative indexing. Similarly, one more is called what? -1, -2, -3, -3. This is called what? Negative indexing of columns, negative indexing of rows. Will you remember that? Yes. Shall we go for the syntax now? Look at. So, come to the point of it. 50. I want to retrieve the element of 50. Be careful. If I want to retrieve the element of 50 from 2D array, 2D means what? Two indexes are available. 1D means one index. 2D means two indexes. 0 means what? No index. Single element doesn't have the index. Directly it is printed. So, 2D array name of, we will pass it two indexes we will pass. First one is called what? Row index. Next one is what? Column index. So first I will pass it as what? Row index. Next I will pass it as what? Column index. You can also pass it as 2D array of what I can write it. So come on, come to the point of it. Row index and then what? Column index. So Shruti, see mom, see ma Shruti, you said, sir, you are my Python god, sir. Okay, mom. Because I should not respond on that because if I respond on it, I'm boosting by myself. It is not correct now. See, Shruti is asking like how she is asking, you see, because I am a teacher now. So ఎందుకు నా మెసేజ్కి రిప్లై ఇవ్వలేదు? See, my dear student. So, voice are first time I'm seeing in my 26 years of my life. So, now look at, my dear students. Actually, I'm very much serious faculty. Because if you disturb my seriousness, I used to explain very seriously in my Python classes. And all of a sudden, if you make fun by giving such messages, maybe fun, but it's not correct. Seriousness will be disturbed. You enjoy the subject, but don't disturb. It's my request to all the students, keep that good opinion about the teacher, but don't feel that sir will give reply for everything. Subject related things I'll give. For everything, if I give reply for general things also, if I give reply, it's not correct. Understand, online students, my dear students, please understand. Let me move to the further. So there are almost 600 students are there. If I try to give reply for general things, please understand and let me move further. All the students in online, Shruti, okay ma, I gave reply next time. So please understand me and I'll go for it. So, okay mom. Swastika, we'll call in Bengali word, but usually we should respect sir. Okay ma, no problem. So I understand. So no problem. So all the students in online, next time onwards, no general messages. All of you share your alertness once. So please confirm once. Can I continue my session? Come on, please, including Shruti also. Okay. Shruti, give a message. Deva, give the message. Okay. Okay, ma'am. So girls, actually, girls are always in my soft corner. I don't know why it is. Really, I'm telling. Even girl do mistake in my. I don't tell anything to them because I don't know if they do mistake. Let it be. Girls, let it be. Girls. Boy do mistake. Right. So students, don't take that. Don't take that leniency. Don't do that, please. Huh? Shall I continue? Actually, for with my experience, if I do fun like this, it's not suitable for me. Because I come to the class to explain good subject for you. If I do that for what is it good, but I'm not doing. If I leave my class, if I question by myself, ma'am, today 6 o'clock you are made fun in class, my heart will say. Then I have to be answerable to my heart. Please allow me to teach it for you. Okay. So shall I continue my class? Right. Question ID. Right. Let me move to the further. Now I'll go to content. Now I'm going to take it syntax for what? 2D. Syntax for 2D. Already we did here. Now I'm going to syntax for which one? 2D. So syntax for 2D indexing. Come on, fast. Syntax number one. Syntax number one. What is the syntax number one? 2D array object. What is this now? Row index, comma, column index. Column index. Row index, comma, column index. Next, I'll go for it. The next one is one more here. What is that next one? Syntax number two. Syntax number two. What is this? Row index you separate, column index you write separate. Shall I start now? Yes. So this is the same thing. You print it once again here. You print it once again like that, and I'll go for this. So here, writing like this. So here I want to get a 50. Always try to have a map in your mind. So what is that? I forget. Once again, I need your response. Everybody. 0, 1, 2. What is this? 0, 1, 2. What is this? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So I want 50. Come on. A of 1 comma 1. I also get A of 1 and then 1. Repeating. One more, my dear students. A of minus 2 minus 2. Or one more, please. A of minus 2 and answer or not. If anybody asks you tomorrow, how many ways? Three. One is by using positive indexing, negative index of. Okay. Come on. Get 50 with what index? Come on, more. All of you. A of 1 comma 1. A of 1 comma 1. How many indexes I'm using? That's why it is passing what? One index only. Good. Now one more way, students. With what index more? This is positive index. Next, one more way. One more way. Same thing. I'll write it. A of 1 and what? 1. Also 50 coming or not? One more way, students. Tell me. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 50 intersection is what? Minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, good. Come to the point of it. Get 50. Get 50 with which index? Very good. Come on. A of minus 2 comma minus 2 will give you what? 50. Because these are all internal memory management. Come on. A of minus 2 of minus 2. This take it. Which index this is? Index. Okay. Now I'm going to write it. This is value called what? 50. Clear? Yes. Now I want to ask you this element called 90. This element called 90. Come on, for my satisfaction once again. So A of this. So here, Sai, I'm explaining my thing. Okay. Sai, don't excite it. Sai, Can we use both positive index as well as what? Negative index. We can use it. We can use it. This used to discuss in a normal Python level only used to discuss. Because Sai is a new student for me. That's why. Mr. Sai, please look at ma. Here we are having negative index. Next is called what? Negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, 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 positive, positive. 4 different combinations. Once you have good hairstyle, you can comb any direction. If you don't have hairstyle, ring road, bypass road only. So I make something. You don't try to repeat the same thing. Go. Come to the point of it. Now you go for 90. Get. Come on. Get. Come on. 90 from matrix A. From where? A. From A. Come on. A of 2 comma. Come on. 2 comma 2. 90. Understand? Well, one more way, mom. What is this now? -1, -2, -3. 0, 1, 2. Come on, A of -1, comma 2. No problem. No problem. Come on. A of -1, comma 2. 90. 90. What is this combination? What is this combination? Negative and positive. Sai, happy? Next, I want to go for positive and negative. Come on. A of 2 comma -1. 90. Happy? Sai, come to the point of it. Right. So, Mr. Sai, are you okay? So, this is called what you know? This is what you know. Positive value and one what? Negative value. Clear? Shall I move to the further? What is the syntax here? What is the 2D syntax, mom? Come on. So here I will write it 2D array. 2D. Here I can write it. Here I can write it. Come on. Anyhow, I will show you the final notes, my dear student. Come on, mom. Row index, comma, column index. Column index. Here index can be positive or negative. One more way I will write, students. One more is called what? 2D array. The same thing, I can write it in this way. 2D of what? Row index. And one more is called what? Column index. Column index. So here it can be positive index and negative index. Clear? Good. Once one class is over, at the end of the class, we must feel very much relaxed by learning this subject. So, coming to what next? 3D. Easy. Easy or difficult now? Easy. Online students, up to here. Am I clear? Am I clear for everybody? Please respond. Please respond. Every student must respond. Good. Let us move to the further. I am going to the 3D. 3D I am going to enter. In the 3D, what extra will come? Super. Matrix number. Matrix number. Spell out. What is the 3D actually? Matrix number, comma, rows, comma, columns. How many matrices will be there? If 3 matrices are there, what is the matrix number ID? First one, 0. Next, matrix rows are what? 3 rows, 3 columns, for example. 3 rows means what? 0, 1, 2. 3 columns means what? 0, 1, 2. 0, 0, 0. What is the 0, 0, 0? First 0. Matrix number. What is the next 0? Row of 0th matrix. What is the another 0? Column of 0th matrix. So 0th matrix ID, 0th matrix row, 0th matrix column. That is A of 0, 0, 0. Did you understand? Well, simple. So come to the point of it. Now I am entering into this place. Javed, screen is not stuck, ma. So I am under the explanation. Shall I go to that now? Let us move to the further. I am entering into this way. So coming to this, indexing on which operation? 3D. Indexing on 3D. Okay. I'm going to say indexing operation on 3D. Very, very simple, ma. I'm going to take it. Here I'm going to write it. A range of, I'm going to write it. dot what? Reshape of 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 enter. The big matrix I will take it. Here I will write it 3 into 3 into 3. Simple, easy way. I can build my matrix like that. So how many matrices? Each matrix contains and 3 columns. How many elements totally? Good. Please look at carefully. This is called what? One matrix or not? No? This is called another matrix or not? This is called another matrix. The total bracket you see, this is called one more bracket or not? That entire thing is pointed by what? A. Understood? This is called which index? 0th index, first index, second index. Whenever I write A of 0, what will come? First matrix will come. Get the first matrix. So indexing will give you single value. But in 3D, whenever I write A of 0, but one matrix only, but there are a lot of elements are there. Understand that? So let us get first matrix. Get the first matrix. Get first matrix. A of what? 0. Getting first matrix or not? Online students, please respond, students. Get what matrix? Second matrix. The more you interact with me, you are becoming perfect in the subject. Of 1, second matrix. Get which matrix? Third matrix. Super. So get what matrix? Third matrix. What is the element, mom? 2. So you are going to get that elements. Easy? Good. Now I am going to get it. Now I am going to get it. In this case, as you are already aware of it, I am just indicating that 0 matrix, first matrix, second matrix. Next, minus 1 matrix, minus 2 matrix, minus 3. So this is called negative matrix numbers. Come on, mom. 0, first, second. This is 0th column, first column, and second column. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. What is this now? 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. What is this now? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is called 0, 1, 2 again. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Getting my point? Dear students, see how many ways are there. Suppose if they ask, get the element 14, how many ways are there to get an element 14? All possible number of ways you need to tell. Yes, one way if you said is more than enough, but more number of solutions you need to know. One solution you tell me, 14 is available in which matrix? First matrix, A of 1, okay, matrix number, comma. In that matrix, what is the row number? 1. In that matrix row number, which column? It is 2. That is going to be called A of 1 comma 2. A of 1 comma 1 comma 2. Are you able to follow? What is the answer is going to come? 14 is going to come. How to write another way? Negative matrix minus 2 comma 1 comma 2 also will give you what? Another way is what? 1 comma minus 2 comma what? Minus 2 comma what? Minus 2 also gives you what? 14. Minus 2 na minus 2. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Minus 1. Correct. You are correct. One more way is what? 1 comma, what is this now? Minus 2 only. Minus 2 only. Comma 2 also you can write it. Also able to follow. So the indexes can be either positive or 2. So I'm going to get get element, get the element 14. Here I will write it. Print of get the element 14. Get the element 14. Come on, students. 14. Get the element 14. Get the element from A. A matrix number. Okay? Matrix number. What is the matrix number? 1. Very good. Next, in that matrix, what is the row? 1. In that, what is the column? That will give you the element called what? 14. Another way to write the same thing is what? Write all at once. Come on, here I am writing 1 comma 1 comma 2. 1 comma 1 comma 2. What is the 14? Easier? Yes. One more way you can write it. Look at students. Here I am writing. Here you are writing something like that. You are trying to say. What is the element? See that. See that. See that. Are you following me? Yes. One more way. One more way. Here you will write it. In that I am writing like this. In that you are writing like that. See students. So here I am writing. Comma I am writing. So here bracket. Take care about the bracket. This is also one more way. Are you following me? See how many ways are there. If you go on start practicing now, you'll become expert. Generally, student will have that much patience to start these many possibilities. Generally, 90% students, because body pains, so many problems will be there. The practicing means so many laziness. But if you start practicing now, you're number one. That's just number one. You remember that. So I hope you will do that. I hope so. Are you able to follow? Now, see, this is the one you are getting. But I'm going on taking to the level of what? I want it these elements. These principal diagonal elements, I want to get it. You face any interview, you'll get that question. I want to get this reversed principal diagonal elements. I want to get these elements. I want to get these elements. These are all called what? Indexing, slicing only. No person can tell, no website will contain this. NumPy.org kind of things will provide this kind of things. Because when I go to interview point of view, indexing, I never ask any question because it is a TED LKG level. 2D indexing, I don't ask. 3D indexing, I don't ask. I will ask what? Write a code for getting principal diagonal elements. Write a code for getting reversed principal diagonal elements. Write a code for getting this L shape element. I want to get reversed L shape elements. I want to get it. That is your talent. And in this matrix, I want to get what? Get all the odd numbers, get all the even numbers, get all the elements which are greater than 23, get all the factors of 6. These are all called what? Filtering mechanism. Do you know filtering mechanism? In our Python, filter function, comprehension, all those things. Generally, faculty will not touch that because that is called advanced Python concept. They don't touch it. They will explain like a C language only. That's why people, they feel that they know Python, but they come to reality, they are out of order. The student mistake is nowhere else, but the trainer is going to be need to know explain all these things. So why you are feeling, why you are able to feel very easy today? Because of we done so much of programming in the Python level. Are you able to understand this? So what is the syntax now? Here 3D. Come on quickly. So what is this now? 3D. I will take as it is here. I'll carry here. Come on, I forget. 3D. What is that? Matrix number, comma, index. Come on. One more way is what? 3D array of what? Come on. Matrix number separate, row number separate, and next is called what? Column also separate. Column also separate. But like that, you can prepare so many combinations. Easier? That is enough? Right. This is called which concept term? Indexing. For my satisfaction, you tell me what is indexing. Indexing is nothing but what? Getting one value from iterable object by passing valid index is called what? If I pass invalid indexing. Suppose I pass it. I already said to you now, students, what I said 0, 1, 2. But all of a sudden I'm passing what? 3, comma 1, comma 1. Third matrix. Do you have third matrix here, ma'am? No. Please look at all of you. 3, comma 1, comma 2. What is the error, ma'am? See that which error? Index 3 out of bounds. Index 3 is as we are using here called what? Index, string index out of what? Range. Like that we are getting. Index 3 is out of bounds. Which error? Whether it is a Python or NumPy or Pandas or Matplotlib, whatever it is, Python errors only will be there. Why? Because NumPy module developed by using which language? Python only. Understand this point? Well, so coming to the point of it, here I am going to say 3D matrix is there with index 2. Rajani, third matrix is there with index 2. And she's saying answer, I hope so. So now I am going to take it. This 3 will not be there. We are having up to what? 2 only available. So if I say A of 2, you are getting that second matrix only. Are you getting me? So A of 2 comma 2 comma 2 means what? 26 is an answer. 26 is an answer. Are you following me? Good. This is comes under NumPy, which concept? Indexing of 1D, 1D, 2D, 1D, 1D. Next is what? 2D. For your notes purpose, 2D. And next is called what? Underscore 3D. This is the concept I am going to post it. Now I am entering into the original. Little difficulty will start now. Ready to face it? Good. Now I'm entering into which concept? Slicing. Slicing. For you people to give you the notes, a beautiful notes I have, I'll be giving the notes for you. Let me show you the notes. Let me show you the notes. Because what sir will explain, the same thing has to go to the notes also. Come on, for my satisfaction, all of you read. Because if by reading, after going to home, you need not to read. That's why I make you to read in my class. From day one onwards, in my Python class also, I used to write these notes with my hands. In NumPy, you are almost coming to the next level. You can understand my note style. That's why I'm showing you. Because in our Python, I used to write the notes in the class. Come on. Indexing is the process of obtaining single value from iterable object. Contains multiple values. 1 minute more. A is equal to 10. It is called a single value. Print of what? A comma type of A, which is an int type only. It doesn't contain indexing. A of 0, error. What is that? Int is not a subscriptable because it doesn't contain indexing. A of for C, for V in A, for V in A, print of A, print of V. You will get what? See this now. Int is not a iterable. Int is not a S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. It is an iterable. For V in where S. Print of what, students? V. Letter by letter will come or not? Letter by letter will come because string is called what? Iterable object. Int, float, bool, complex or non-iterable object. Rest of them are called what? None type is also one of the non-iterable. You know that part entire thing in the class correctly. Let us come to the now. Come on. The values of iterable object contains positive indices 0, 1, 2, len of iterable object minus 1 and negative indices. Negative indices. Are you following me? 0 is a beginning, 1, 2. Last one is what? Len of iterable object minus 1 and negative indices minus of len of iterable obj, so on, so on, so on. It is going to be there what? Minus 2. Already know, na? Minus 6 onwards. Like that. So, coming to the point of it, next I am going to show you. Uday, listen, ma. So, screen recording not possible, listen. So, next, now an object of ND array is also one of the iterable object. ND array is one of the iterable object or not? Yes, the elements of ND array contains plus positive indices and what? Negative indices. This is the sentence. In NumPy programming, we can apply indexing operation on 3 types of arrays. They are 1D indexing, 2D indexing, ND indexing. ND means what? 2D, 3D. Okay, 1D array of what? Index. Here 1D array is an object of class ND array. Here in the false or negative. If we enter valid index, then we get the corresponding value from 1D. If we enter invalid index, then we get what? Index error. 2D indexing, 2D array object, row index comma. Next, 2D array, row index or either of it. Here row index can be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive. You know all these things? Girls, are you getting ma? Right. Come to ND indexing. Come on, start. ND array of matrix index, comma, row index, comma, column index. Come on. ND array object. Other way around. Matrix index, comma, row index, comma, column index. Or you can also write, of course, it is repeated. Yes. Sorry, remove that. Here I can write it what? Okay, let it be. I'll do like this. We give multiple things. Okay, na? Like this I can write. Okay, na? Or one more way is what? Here. Like this I'll write it. Or one more. ND array object of matrix index separate, row index separate, column index. So positive, negative, negative, positive, positive, negative, all these things. Are you following? If I go to cluster IDs also will be there. Cluster ID, matrix ID, row ID, column ID, column ID. You want to see one example on that? You can come to the place. Here I'm going to carry this. Here I will take off this part. You come out of that. So tell me what I'm doing. 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 3. What is this 2? Cluster India, for example, India. Two clusters, South India, North India. In North India, in South India, three states, three states, three districts, three districts in the form of rows. I will take it like that. You take it. An example. In one state, north part of the state and south part of the state. In that, some division of the things I am going to take it. Carefully try to understand. What is this? I will write it 2 star extra. 27 into 2, 54 elements. Very beautiful. See that it is going to be, understand students, this part is, see carefully, this is called one matrix. This is called one matrix. This is called one more matrix. Are you following me? This bracket is one bracket. That is the 0th cluster. 0th cluster. Another cluster starts with here. Okay, I will take down. Here you see, this part you see, this is called one matrix. This is called one matrix. This is one more matrix. This is called one more matrix. This is called one more matrix. This is called this cluster. This is called which cluster? One cluster. This bracket is there now, it is linked with the first bracket because it is a length is bigger one, it is connected with that. Are you following me? So you print the first cluster. Get which cluster? First cluster. First cluster. Come on, students. A of 0 will give you that first cluster. Getting A of 1. Which cluster? Second cluster. In the first cluster, first matrix I want. In the first cluster, first matrix I want. A of what? 0 and 1. 0 of what? 1. Okay. 0. Okay. 0. Yes. In the 0. I want this 0. When I write A of 0, 0, get what? That thing will come. That entire row will come. Are you following me? Yes. That entire row, which row I want? Which column I want? See the answer called 0. What is this first one? 0th cluster, 0th matrix, 0th row, 0th column. Clear up? Easy? Easy or difficult? Easy. First, number of approaches to create an object is a little difficult. Later on, going and entering, very easy. Python also, beginning difficult. Later on, it is just like drinking like a juice. Left hand, left finger. So that is obvious. So now it is going to be A of 1. This one, I want 40. I want for quick A of 1. Come on. 1 and what? 1 and then what? 1. What is this one? This one. Complete. What is this one? 0th matrix, first matrix. Matrix. What is this one? Row. What is this one? All these things gives you what? Come on. A of 1 and 1 and 1 and what? 1. 1. So what is an answer? 40. A of 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 1. 40. 40. Anyway, you can just maintain that. Are you able to follow? So this is about concept of what? ND. Actually, industry will come 3D only. But if anybody asks your extreme knowledge on ND matrix, this is a one. Are you following me? Yes. So come on, students. Now coming to the point of it. So Arshad Mohammed. So thank you, my dear student. Let us move to the further. Let us move to the further. Indexing. Clear? Yes. Even a cluster index I did not write. You will understand easily. Nothing difficult. Now I am entering into the concept of slicing. Shall we start? Good. What is the meaning of slicing? What is the meaning of slicing? I'm going to get it. See, students, slicing means getting group of values from iterable object is called slicing. Slicing. So the process of, the process of obtaining the process of obtaining range of values or sub range values, sub sub values, sub range values from which object? Iterable object. From main iterable object is called what? Slicing. Is called slicing. Beginning is easy. Next, when I go to 2D slicing, 3D slicing, now HD cinema you will see. That's why before going to 2D, you see HD cinema first. So 1D, I'm going to take it 1D. Shall I start? Yes. So students, first go to Python. First chocolate concept. S is equal to what? Python. Python. There we are having number of syntaxes, students. What is the number of syntaxes? First memory management I already said now. Memory management already said. My dear students, all of you. Python. This is the one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, up to here. నేను చెప్పింది వినాలి మీరు. -1, -2, you are saying this. Okay, actually I want to explain something different. Okay, light. Happy? This is a memory management. Now I want to get it. The value is called what? I want to get PYT. Earlier I used to get only P. Now I want to get it what? PYT. Or I want to get it THON. THON. Or I want to get a YTHO. Or I want to get it what? PTO. Or I want to get it what? PH. Like that I want to get alternative elements, sub-range elements. Like that I want to get it in which direction? Forward direction. Forward direction. I want to get it in which direction also? Reverse direction also I want to get it. These are all the things I used to explain in Python only. Suppose if without explaining, if I move forward, other students make it a little difficulty. Because I've seen most of the notes is what? Slicing. Syntax number 1. Under some example, syntax number sub points are there. Beginning positive, negative. Special points, most special points. See how many examples. Negative, positive. Syntax number 2. Syntax number 3. Syntax number 4. Syntax number 5. Under that rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, rule 4, rule 5 with examples. If I say directly, this is the subject of slicing. If I say same to same, I will apply on 1D, 1D, 2D also same, but 2D different. So you are already acquainted with it, there is no problem at all. But for them, slightly I will explain. Slightly I will explain, and I'll move to the further. Let's move to the further here. So here I'm going to Python. I'm going to write the syntax is what? S of begin colon begin colon what? End. Begin colon end. What is begin? Index. What is the end also? Index. Begin starts with I'm writing here S of Nani. I will share you, Mat. Definitely I will share you. 0:0:4. 0:4. What is the 0:4? It takes 0 to 4 minus 1. So the begin to end minus 1, provided begin must be less than what? End. Begin must be less than end. So what is the 0 to 4 means what? 0 to 4 minus 1. That is a 0 to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the answer now? PYTH. So 0:3. So you are going to get it PYT. 0:4. It will give you PYTH. Clear? Of course, whenever I say 4:0, you will not get any result, because that also I used to mention in our classroom. Space will be the answer. Space will be the answer. Are you following? So if I discuss this again, it is a boring for my existing students. If I don't explain, others may not able to catch or not, I don't know, because I may get that name. I did not understand the class. So that type of problem. Some people who already understood, some people who did not understand. That's why 0, beginning and ending should be what? Condition must be satisfied. Begin must be what? Then the answer will come. Okay, ma'am. Surendra, I will explain you. Don't worry about it. I will explain. I'll explain to you. That's what I said. Coming to our place here. What is our topic now? Slicing operations on this. One thing I want to tell you at this level only. S of something like I'm writing 1:6. What is the 1:6? 1 to 6 minus 1. What is the 1 to 6 minus 1? YTHON. Yes of. Okay, okay. Yes of. S of 1 to 6. It is called what? YTHON. That is what the bill here? 1. 1 less than 6. 1 less than 6, 5. And you already fixed answer 5. But my question is what? 1 less than 6. 5. Not said 5. Not only you, so many said 5 only. I seen you when you are saying the answer. This is called true. What is that now? 1 to 6 minus 1. What is that now? 1 to 5. What is the 1 to 5? YTHON. I used to explain this concept in my Python almost 5 to 6 hours. I used to explain these operations. So you must be so excellent. When you write any company written test, they will ask these questions many. They will ask these questions. Okay. Now coming to ND array now. ND array slicing I'm going to explain. So let us go to the new notebook. New notebook. Here I'm going to understand Neha. Sir, I understood what is iterable object, but now, but how to define iterable object? Once you say, sir, Sima, iterable object is the one which we are defining any object with more number of values. Into float, bool, complex or non-iterable. How to define? We already seen in the Python. How to define means what we are preparing the statements is that ND array object is called one of the iterable object or not. How to define it? 17 ways I said. Out of 17, one function I did tell what? Normal. Rest of the 16 ways are what? Creating iterable object only. Or not. Object, dicta object, these are all called iterable objects only. How to define iterable object? It is there in the Python level only, ma. Okay. Anyhow, come to the point of it. So I think, man, Neha, you got it. Let us coming to the slicing operation on 1D. So I'm going to write it. So slicing operation on where? 1D. Let us take import numpy as np. So coming to the point of it, coming to this now. Okay, Samir, thank you, my dear student. Let us enter into this now. I'll say A is equal to np dot array of I'm taking 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Done. Print of what? A comma type of A. Type of A. What happens? Yes. Function bracket. So here my data. Now I want to get it 10, 20, 30 only. Simple. Come on. How many syntaxes? 5 syntaxes. Look at ma once I'll write the syntax number 1. I'll tell, I'll tell ND array object of begin colon end. We'll take the opinion of the students. I will move forward. Because if I discuss without understanding, no meaning. ND array object, ND array object, ND array object of what? Begin colon. This is one more. Syntax number 3. Syntax number 3. What is this now? ND array object of what? Colon end. Colon end. Syntax number 4. Syntax number 4. Come on. ND array object of what? Colon. Just a colon. Syntax number 5. Syntax number